Oye.
Yo quiero hacer una pregunta.
How can I call?
Behind the horse.
Thanks.
Ayun na, tatanong ko doon, sabi ko, excuse me, ba't hasti hindi ka doon?
Si Manon Tinel.
Italiano. No, hindi kayo magbibidyo. Kayo magbibidyo sa akin. Ay, di ano din kami ngugag, hindi kami kita. Dahil ano,
Dapat ano?
dinaskasyon yung bawa, ito yung tipo tu sei qua e tu nakaganto, tapos si Jojo.
Ma come si fa questo? No, aspetta, perché non lo so.
Infatti io vado a chiedere, scusami. Uy, dali. Aspetta, come si dice? Oh, bye. Ayun pa.
Siya naman talagang takbong-takbo kayo.
Oh, really? You're welcome.
Malayo ko doon.
Si Jordan.
Nasaan si Jordan? Dali.
Why did you answer my call? Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
I see.
Hindi pinapansin.
Saludate, Italia Uno!
Hoy, Italia Uno! Hoy!
Andrea!
Hoy, TV Patron! TV Patron!
Mga abala sa mga tao. Ay, sama kayo ni-intervista.
Ciao, Tambra!
Hi, ba't ba lang?
Ciao.
Hoy!
Hoy, sabihin ko, hoy, nung intervista, si può, io sono padovana, Intervista, sabihin natin yung intervista. Ma come si chiama? Ma possiamo parlare della tua privacy?
Metti un attimo in pausa, ang gulo-gulo na yan. Excuse me, can I...
Allah, natakot kayo.
Gusto niyo ba sa intervista?
Can I interview?
Hello, can I interview? Hello, can I interview? Can I interview? Hello, can I interview?
Yes, I.
Yes.
What's your name, girl?
What's your name?
Girl?
Manon, Nanoy.
You. Excuse me, may I ask?
Mauna
Yes.
kay pasa così che poi tanto se ne va.
Where can I buy this?
Are yan ay matanda tanto se ne va.
Andre,
Matatakot siya sa atin. Go.
Yun.
Can I interview?
Interview.
Can I interview?
My name is Michael Villanella from
Yeah, what's your...
California.
Yeah. And you now in Milano.
Jonas Casanova, it's about just roll, it's raining.
Raining daw, raining.
I speak a rapper, American rapper.
And tell about her.
Hello, can I interview?
Can you help me?
Yes,
Yes.
sure.
Where are you go?
Where are you going?
I go in Duomo. Where is it?
I go in Duomo. Duomo is here.
You are Duomo now, eh?
Here. This is the church. You are in front of the church. See you. Bye.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can I interview? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you going, miss?
Where is it?
Over there.
Where?
Over there behind the church.
This is
Oh,
my...
sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes?
Where is the snack?
The snack is over there.
Then?
Go straight on.
Yeah.
Straight, and the snack is there.
Really?
Or you can take the tram number 3, 2, or 14. And after 2 bus stop, you
You can do that. You can do that.
No, you go down.
You go down.
You go down.
You go, yeah. Then
And then the snack is
in front of the.
bus stop.
Are you sure? But because I don't want to be lost there. I'm
No.
scared. You know, I'm lonely.
No, you don't lost because the snack is in front of the bus stop.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's real.
Bye.
Bye.
Hindi mo picture, oy.
Pangsingit yung isa.
Doon, mondo di salita.
What's